Good morning, my dear students. Today topics start. Third reaction C, reaction with metal. In reaction with metal, third reaction is reaction with zinc. First reaction, Wurtz reaction. Okay. First reaction, Wurtz reaction, and second reaction, fitting reaction. Third reaction, Wurtz fitting reaction, and reaction with lithium. Second reaction, reaction with lithium. Alkyl halide react with alkyl halide CH3 CH2 CH2 Cl. Alkyl halide react with lithium. Alkyl halide react with lithium in presence of ether, dry ether. In presence of ether, then give to ethyl CH3 CH2 CH2 and Li plus LiCl out, 2 Li, 1 LiCl out, and lithium connected to carbon, so CH3 CH2 CH2 Li. So it made a propyl lithium made a chloropropane react with lithium in presence of ether, then obtained of propyl lithium. Okay, plus में LiCl plus LiCl. This is compound organometallic compound. This compound is organometallic compound. This compound is organometallic compound. Propyl lithium is a organometallic compound. So ethyl halide react with lithium in presence of ether, then give to propyl lithium, so organometallic compound. The second name of this compound's name is organometallic compound. Next third reaction, reaction with zinc. Dialkyl zinc Franklin reagent. Dialkyl zinc Franklin reagent is formed when haloalkanes react with zinc metal. CH3 CH2 Br. Alkyl halide react with zinc metal. Diethyl alkane obtained. Dialkyl zinc. Alkyl halide react with zinc metal. Dialkyl zinc obtained. This is compound's name of Franklin reagent. Alkyl halide react with zinc metals. Dialkyl zinc obtained. This compound's name of Franklin reagent. Next, so CH3 CH2 Br react with zinc. ZnBr out, but zinc Zn plus 2. Zinc metal present on charge plus 2 charge present on zinc, and Br negative, only single negative charge Zn plus 2. So how many numbers of alkyl halide? 2. So 2 CH3 CH2 Br react with 2 zinc metal, so CH3 CH2 zinc Zn CH2 CH3 CH3 plus Zn Br to 2 Br or 2 Zn, but 1 Zn used in alkyl halide, or 1 Zn byproduct formed ZnBr2. Alkyl halide react with zinc metal. Dialkyl means ethyl, diethyl zinc, diethyl zinc. This compound's name of Franklin reagent. Alkyl halide ethyl bromide react with zinc metal, then give to diethyl zinc. Diethyl zinc. What is the name of diethyl zinc? What is the reagent? What is the name of reagent? Diethyl zinc. Franklin reagent. Franklin reagent. Ethyl bromide react with zinc metal, then give to Franklin reagent. Very very important. Exam point base. Very very important. Franklin reagent. What is the Franklin reagent? What is the IPC name of Franklin reagent? What is the structure? What is the structure of Franklin reagent? What is the structure of formula of Franklin reagent? Okay. So next reaction is fourth. Formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent. Fourth reaction. Formation of Grignard reagent. Formation of Grignard reagent. When alkyl halide react with magnesium metals. When alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. Alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. Alkyl magnesium halide second name is Grignard reagent. Alkyl magnesium halide is second name. What is the name of reagent? What is the name of reagent? RMGX. Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. So look, alkyl halide react with magnesium metal. Alkyl halide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Alkyl magnesium halide obtained. This compound's name is Grignard reagent. This compound is Grignard reagent. RX alkyl halide. R means alkyl. X means halide. Alkyl halide react with magnesium. Alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. RMGX obtained. RMGX, what is the IPSC? What is the reagent name of Grignard reagent? RMGX alkyl. R means alkyl. M means magnesium. H means halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. Alkyl magnesium halide. RMGX alkyl magnesium halide. Grignard reagent. RMGX name is Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? Formula of Grignard reagent RMGX. RMGX is Grignard reagent. Very important. How to obtain Grignard reagent? How to obtain Grignard reagent? When alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. Okay student, how to obtain Grignard reagent? How to obtain Franklin reagent? How to obtain Franklin reagent? Alkyl halide react with zinc metal. Diethyl zinc is obtained or Franklin reagent. How to obtain of Grignard reagent? Alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. Ethyl alkyl magnesium halide is obtained. Question number first. Ethyl, how to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide? How to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide? How? Second question. How to obtain methyl magnesium iodide? How to obtain methyl magnesium iodide? Second question. How to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide? So answer these questions. CH3I methyl iodide react with magnesium metals in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, methyl iodide react with magnesium metals in presence of dry ether. Methyl magnesium iodide. Methyl magnesium iodide is obtained. Methyl magnesium iodide is obtained. Okay. Methyl iodide react with magnesium. Methyl magnesium iodide is obtained. Methyl iodide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Methyl magnesium iodide is obtained. Okay. Next example. How to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide. How to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. How to obtain ethyl magnesium bromide? When ethyl Br, use of alkyl halide CH3 CH2 Br, ethyl bromide. When ethyl bromide react with magnesium metal in presence of dry ether. Ethyl bromide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether. Ethyl magnesium bromide is obtained. Ethyl magnesium bromide is obtained. Okay. Question number first. How to obtain methyl magnesium iodide. Question number second. How to obtain alkyl magnesium iodide. Alkyl magnesium iodide or alkyl magnesium halide. Okay. How to obtain of ethyl magnesium bromide. Ethyl magnesium bromide. Okay. Last reaction in chemical reaction D, reduction reaction. Reduction. Alkyl halide react. Alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Alkane is formed. Alkane is formed. Alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Alkane is formed. Alkyl halide. Alkanes. Alkyl halide. Reduction of alkyl halide. Alkane is formed. Okay. Because CH3Cl. Reduction of methyl chloride. Reduction means add of hydrogen. Added of hydrogen. Methyl chloride. Reduction of methyl chloride. Reduction means added of hydrogen. Add of hydrogen. CH3Cl. Reduction of methyl chloride. Reduction means हाइड्रोजन का ऐड होना. हाइड्रोजन का ऐड होना. तो रिएक्ट विद reduction of methyl chloride then give to CH3 and hydrogen. One hydrogen remove and one hydrogen. Two hydrogen, one hydrogen and one hydrogen. फिर रेडिकल देन वन हाइड्रोजन एंड वन हाइड्रोजन. टू हाइड्रोजन यूज ले रहे हैं इस रिएक्शन के अंदर. तो वन हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पर और वन हाइड्रोजन दिस पोजिशन एंड गिव टू CH3H मीन्स CH4 मीन्स मेथेन. So next reaction CH3CH2Cl react with the hydrogen. Free radical, breakdown of carbon and halogen, free radical and free radical. one hydrogen and one hydrogen, then give to CH3 CH2 and HCl out and hydrogen, means CH3 single bond CH3. Ethane is formed. Reduction of alkyl halide, reduction of meth 8 ethyl chloride, reduction of ethyl chloride, ethane is formed. Reduction of ethyl chloride, ethane is formed. Reduction of ethyl chloride, reduction of ethyl chloride, ethane is formed. Reduction of methyl chloride, methane is formed. Okay. What is the reduction reagent? Give to 2 hydrogen and 4 hydrogen, other many hydrogens, give to other many hydrogens. What is the reduction reagent? What is the reduction reagent? Is the first reduction reagent zinc HCl and second reduction reagent NaC2H5OH. Third reduction LiAlH4 and fourth reduction red phosphorus plus Hi. इन 4 में से एक भी रिएजेंट यदि रिएक्शन के अंदर यूज आता है, दिस मीन्स रिडक्शन रिएजेंट. रिडक्शन रिएजेंट मीन्स गिव टू हाइड्रोजन. Reduction reagent zinc plus HCl, Na plus C2H5OH. Which name of Na plus C2H5OH? Buovalent reduction. Okay, buovalent reduction. Lithium aluminum hydride, red phosphorus plus hydrogen iodide. This reagent is complete reduction reagent. This reagent is complete फोर्थ रिडक्शन रिएजेंट. ये जितने भी कंप्लीट, ये फोर्थ के फोर्थ जितने भी आपके पास रिएजेंट है वो कंप्लीट सभी के सभी क्या हैं? रिडक्शन रिएजेंट है. ओके. एल्किल हैलाइड, प्रिपरेशन ऑफ एल्किल हैलाइड कंप्लीट. Physical properties complete. Chemical properties complete. Preparation of alkyl halide complete. Physical property complete. Chemical properties complete. Alkyl halide part first complete. Alkyl halide part first is complete. And start now the second part is dihalogen derivative. First part is complete, alkyl halide is complete, and start now the second parts, dihalogen derivative. Part second, dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivative. Dihalogen derivative. Okay. What is the dihalogen derivative? CH4, 2 hydrogen remove, then give to added to halogen group. Is called dihalogen. In methane, remove 2 hydrogen and added to 2 chlorines. Dihalogen derivative is obtained. Okay. Dihalogen derivative are classified. Dihalogen derivative are classified in 3 categories. Dihalogen derivative are classified in three categories. Dihalogen derivative are classified in three categories on the basis of relative position of two halogen atoms. On the basis of relative position of two halogen atoms. Dihalogen derivative are classified on the basis of relative position of two halogen atoms is dihaloalkanes. First is gem dihalide. Dihalogen derivative are classified into three parts. And first is gem dihalide. Second is vis dihalide. Vis means vicinal. Gem means gemini. Vis means vicinal. Vis dihalide. And third is alpha omega dihalide. Dihalogen derivative are classified into three parts, and first is gem dihalide, and second is vis dihalide, and third is alpha omega dihalide. First, gem dihalide. What is gem dihalide? How to obtain of gem dihalide? Physical property of gem dihalide, preparation of gem dihalide, chemical properties of gem dihalide. Okay, what is gem dihalide? In these dihalide, both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. CH3 single bond CH, Cl and Cl. In this dihalide, both are halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. In this dihalide, both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. In these dihalide, both the halogen atoms are attached to the same carbon atom. Only one carbon, same carbon. This is compounds name of gem dihalide compounds. Name meth 8 ethyl, but one carbon पे two valency free. On one carbon two valency free, that name is ethylene. 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 Sorry. ETHYLI. Ethylene. Ethylidene. वन कार्बन पे सेम कार्बन पे इफ सेम कार्बन फ्री वैलेंसी 2, यदि सेम कार्बन पे 2 वैलेंसी फ्री हो तो दिस कंपाउंड्स नेम इज इथाइलिडीन एंड क्लोराइड. इथाइलिडीन क्लोराइड. मेथ 8 and 2 valency free, 1 valency free. If 1 valency free, CH3 CH2 valency free, ethyl, but on one carbon 2 valency free, on one carbon 2 valency free, this name is ethylidene. So ethylidene chloride. Okay, next example. CH3 C Cl Cl CH3 C Cl Cl CH3. So CH3 C CH3 valency free. This group's name is iso compounds, iso group, iso meth 8 prop, iso propylidene. 2 valency free, 1 valency and 2 valency, 1 valency and 2 valency, 1 valency and 2 valency, 2 valency free. So this group's name is iso 1 2 3 3 carbon total, 3 carbons. Use of propyl lidene, 2 valency free, YLIDENE. So this compound's name is isopropylidene chloride. So because two halogen group connected with same carbon atom, this compound's name is isopropylidene chloride. This group's name is iso groups. This compound's name is isopropylidene. Propylidene means 2 valency free. Is 2 valency free on same carbon. 2 valency free on same carbon. So this compound's name is isopropylidene chloride. Isopropylidene chloride. Okay. Next, which dihalide? Gem dihalide. Gem means Gemini, means twins. Gemini means twins. Twins means on same carbon halogen atom, two halogen atoms to attach same carbon atom. 2 halogen atoms attached to same carbon atom. But which dihalide? In this dihalide, both the halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon atoms. 2 halogen atoms are connected to adjacent carbon atoms. 2 halogen, first halogen and 2 halogen. 2 halogen atoms are connected to adjacent carbon. Adjacent carbon means first carbon, second carbon. First and second carbon is adjacent carbon. First, second carbon is adjacent carbon. So 1 and 2. This compounds which dihalide compounds? This compound's name is which dihalide compounds? In these compounds, both the halogen atoms are attached to adjacent carbon. Is called which dihalide? What is the which dihalide? 2 halogen atoms are connected to adjacent carbon. Is called which dihalide? This compounds which dihalide compounds. 1,2-dichloroethane. 1,2-dichloroethane. Second, CH3CH2 connected Cl halogen group and halogen group. 1 and 2 adjacent carbon. 1, 2 carbon is adjacent carbon. So mate 8 propylene, 1 valency free and 2 valency free. Propylene chloride. So 1,2-dichloromate 8 propane. 1,2-dichloro. IPC name of propylene chloride. What is the IPC name of propylene chloride? 1,2-dichloromate 8 prop. Single bond, use of suffix "ane". So IPC name of CH3CH CH2Cl Cl 1,2-dichloropropane. 1,2-dichloropropane. Okay. Next, alpha omega dihalide. Third, in dihalogen derivative, third part of alpha omega dihalide. Alpha omega dihalide is, in these dihalides, both the halogen atoms are attached to first and last carbon atoms. If these compounds, the 2 halogen atoms are connected with first and last carbon atoms. 2 halogen atoms are connected with first and last atoms. 2 halogen atoms are connected with carbon, first and last carbon. This compound's name is alpha omega dihalide compounds. In these dihalides, both the halogen atoms are attached. Both the halogen atoms are attached to first and last carbon. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 7, 1, 8, 1, 9. But first carbon and last carbon, first carbon and last carbon, two halogen atoms are connected, first carbon and last carbon. This called alpha omega dihalides. It is alpha omega dihalide compounds. Okay, what is the IPC name of alpha omega dihalide compounds? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 3 dichloropropane. Dichloropropane. General name of CH2, 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 Cl, Cl. Alpha, first carbon is alpha carbon and last carbon is omega carbon. So alpha omega dihalide. Alpha omega dihalide compounds. This compound's name is alpha omega dihalide compounds. So dihalogen derivative are classified into three parts: gem dihalide, Wish dihalide, and alpha omega dihalide. Gem dihalide, two halogen atoms are connected with the same two same carbon atom is called gem dihalide. But Wish dihalide, two halogen groups are connected with adjacent carbon. Two halogen atoms are connected to adjacent carbon is called Wish dihalide. And alpha omega dihalide, two halogen atoms are connected, first carbon and last carbon. Two halogen atoms are connected to first carbon and last carbon is called alpha omega dihalide compounds. Is called alpha omega dihalide compounds. Question number first. Write the two example of gem dihalide and Wishnell dihalide. Write the two example of gem dihalide and Wish dihalide. Question number second. What is the gem dihalide and Wish dihalide? Write the two difference. Write the one difference or two difference with the example two difference. Write the two difference between gem dihalide and Wish dihalide. Write the two difference between gem dihalide and Wish dihalide. Or explain now alpha omega dihalide. Question number third, very important, very important exam point based, very important gem dihalide, Wish dihalide and alpha omega dihalide. In which example is exam point based very important gem dihalide, Wish dihalide and alpha omega dihalide. Go the first topic is start now. Gem dihalide. First topic is gem dihalide. Dihalogen derivative are classified into three parts: and gem dihalide, Wish dihalide and alpha omega dihalide. So first topic is gem dihalide. Start now. The first topic is gem dihalide. First, gem dihalide. Gem dihalide preparation. Preparation of gem dihalide. Preparation of gem dihalide. Second, physical property. Third is chemical properties. Preparation of gem dihalide, physical properties and chemical properties. The first topic is start now. The gem dihalide in classified into three parts, and first is preparation of gem dihalide, second physical properties and third chemical properties. Gem dihalide is completed. Same way Wish dihalide and same alpha omega dihalide. Part second is complete. Okay दोस्त, okay. Students, gem dihalide. First is preparation of gem dihalide. How to obtain of gem dihalide? First is preparation of gem dihalide. Okay. Preparation of gem dihalide. Formation of gem dihalide. Preparation of gem dihalide. First reaction from carbonyl compounds. From carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compound R C double bond OH. Aldehyde group is carbonyl compound. Carbonyl compound react with PCl5. React with PCl5. Obtained is gem dihalide compounds. Gem dihalide is obtained. Carbonyl compound react with phosphorus pentachloride. Gem dihalide is obtained. So RCH ClClOr. Obtained is gem dihalide compounds. Okay. Plus PO 3Cl is remaining. So POCl3. Okay. R C double bond OH plus PCl5 PCl Cl and Cl. POCl3 out. R C 1 valency 2 valency 1 hydrogen 1 valency and 2 valency. 1 valency connected with chlorine and 1 valency free chlorine to connected oxygen, connected to single bond chlorine. This compound's name is gem dihalide compounds. Okay. Second reaction. Next example. R means alkyl groups. So CH3 C double bond OH react with PCl5 Cl3 C hydrogen 1 valency POCl3 out. Remaining of 2 chlorine with connected to carbon, chlorine and chlorine. CH3 CH Cl and Cl mate 8. Ethylidene chloride. Next example. CH3 C double bond O CH3 form acetone or mate 8 prop 2 propanone. Acetone or 2 propanone. Acetone react with phosphorus pentachloride. POCl3 out. Only remaining of 2 chlorine to connected carbon atoms. CH3 C CH3 POCl3 out. Then 1 valency and 1 valency free. 2 chlorine remaining, 1 chlorine connected and second chlorine connected. This compounds gem dihalide compounds. What is the name of gem dihalide compounds? Mate 8 prop 2 dichloropropane or general name of gem dihalide compounds gem dihalide. जेमटाइल हैलाइड आइसोप्रोपाइल प्रोपाइलिडीन